हेलो एवरीवन एंड वंस अगेन वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू IPM रडार। आज की इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू एड्रेस दिस क्वेश्चन दैट शुड यू जॉइन IFT's IPM program. So I would be highlighting the pros and cons of this program and towards the end of the video we will have a solid conclusion कि आपको ये program join करना चाहिए या नहीं. So without any further ado, let's get started. So सबसे पहले straight away coming on to the pros of IFT's IPM program, there are two broad considerations. सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे reputation की and then we will talk about placements. So in terms of reputation, an MBA from IFT is surely reputed. Like IFT, it falls in the tier 1 category and there's a sense of prestige which is associated to it. So in terms of prestige and reputation, IFT definitely gets a green flag. Now coming on to the placements, so placements they should be good enough. They should be at par with some of the old IIMs. So हम लोग मान के चल सकते हैं that average to be in the bracket of 23 to 25, which is good enough. So placements अच्छे हैं and reputation अच्छी है. These are the two major pros that or the two major advantages that IFT's IPM program has to offer. On the flip side, अगर हम लोग cons की बात करें, so number one on the consideration list we have the campus. So here we are not talking about IFT Delhi, we are not talking about IFT Calcutta, we are talking about IFT Kakinada, which is a newly established campus. So वो campus से जो हमारी expectations होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा high नहीं रखनी है. It would be just normalize, close boundaries में enclosed होगा and the ambience it would not be that lively. So campus life could be a point of concern. इसके अलावा अगर हम लोग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करें, सो इंफ्रा इट वुड नॉट बी ऑन अ वेरी हाई एंड, इंफ्रा वुड बी ओके नॉट सो गुड. सो दोनों ही कैंपस लाइफ एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दे आर अ पॉइंट टू कंसिडर इन द कॉन्स कैटेगरी. इसके अलावा अगर हम लोग बात करें IIM टैग की, सो इफ़ यू जॉइन IFT's IPM प्रोग्राम यू आर श्योरली मिसिंग आउट ऑन दैट IIM का टैग. No doubt that IFT has established itself as a very renowned institute over the past few years. लेकिन अगर हम लोग compare करें एक IIM का brand value with IFT का brand value, then the tag of IIM surely outshines the tag of IFT. And IIMs की जो popularity है that is way more than that of IFT because there are many people who are not even aware of IFT as an institution. तो दोनों ही in terms of brand value and in terms of popularity, IIM definitely stands out. इसके अलावा वन मोर पॉइंट टू कंसिडर हियर कुड बी द पीयर टू पीयर लर्निंग. अगर हम लोग देखें ये जो सितंबर इनटेक है इट्स गोइंग टू बी द इनिशियल इनटेक एंड इसके अलावा आपके कोई सीनियर्स नहीं है, यू वुड बी द फर्स्ट बैच टू एंटर. और इसके अलावा अगर हम लोग बैच साइज को एनालाइज करें सो द नंबर इज समवेयर अराउंड 40 to 45 स्टूडेंट्स विच इज़ नॉट अ वेरी ग्रेट फिगर. सो जो पीयर टू पीयर इंटरेक्शन होने वाला है, पीयर टू पीयर लर्निंग होने वाला है, वो भी लिमिटेड होने वाला है बिकॉज ऑफ द बैच साइज एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द वेरी इनिशियल इंटेक फॉर दिस IFT's IPM program. So these were the major cons to consider. हमारा campus life, infrastructure and then IIM का tag and finally हमारा peer to peer learning. So these were the major pros and cons, right? In terms of reputation and in terms of placements we get the advantages while we have some disadvantages too. So majorly we have discussed about the pros and cons. Now giving you a conclusion that whether you should go for this program or not. So guys, IFT is better than Bodh Gaya and Jammu. अगर आपके पास option है Bodh Gaya, Jammu and IFT, then you can give preference to IIFT. लेकिन अगर आपके पास better options हैं like IIM Rohtak and IIM Ranchi, then you should go for Rohtak and Ranchi instead of IIFT. The reason being that fees सबका same है लेकिन future prospects are better at IIMs. So that's about it. I hope that this video will help you in deciding that whether you should go for this program or not. If this video is helpful, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to IPM Radar. If you want more information about IFT's IPM program, you can check out the video on the channel. A detailed video has been uploaded. And if you have any other queries regarding the program, you can drop them down in the comment section. So yeah, on this note, it's a wrap for today.